what is the difference between on-page and off-page SEO?
Basics on-page SEO is what you do on your website, titles, descriptions, HTML, the HTML code, speed, all that kind of stuff. Offsite SEO is typically your link building. Who's linking to you, how they're linking to you, what competitors are getting links from, getting those links, getting listed in location-based, geographic-based, regional, topically related stuff. To your website. Typically, the offsite is getting links, people pushing, press releases, you name it. Anything that's out of your onsite, your website itself would be considered sort of offsite optimization. So that's really it. Not a whole lot to that. Onsite is literally what you do to your website, on your website. Offsite is what's happening to get people to your website out there and the ways in which you interconnect the two. That's about it.